Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be going through what we made in the month of August. Now, we are content creators, we create crochet patterns, and we have starting to get more avenues of income as we've grown over the years. I know I've always loved watching videos like this. When I was, starting Etsy, starting YouTube, I always kind of wanted to know what to expect, what were people making. So when we started making a little bit more money, I thought I would share with you guys what we make. This by no means is bragging. It's really just, people like to know what you make and what to expect when they start an avenue such as Etsy or YouTube. So I thought I would share with you guys what we made in the month of August of 2023 after about 3 years of creating content and Etsy patterns. So let's get started. So don't mind me, I am going to be looking over at my iPad here to see everything I've written down for what we made through our different income streams. So the first one that I'm going to start off with is we did a market at the beginning of August. Now this was just a few hours of one day for a market. My parents have a place out in BC, and the place that they stay in, they have a yearly market on August long weekend. So there was actually no cost to us to enter this market, which was great. Usually there is an upfront cost, usually to be able to rent a booth or whatever it is that your area of space. But we didn't have any upfront costs for this, so we were able to take home all of our revenue without having to put anything extra out, which was really great. So I'm just going to go through what we made. I'll go through what we sold at our market, and I'll put a picture on the side here to show you what it is that we sold so that you can get an idea, and I'll let you know how much we sold it for. So like I said, don't mind me, I'm just going to look at my iPad here. So we sold a stocking ornament for $10. We sold our seahorse for $30. We sold 2 watermelon pillows for $40 each. We sold a penguin for $30. We sold a chubby bunny for $20. We sold a platypus for $40. Our walrus we sold for $30. We have a little chubby chicken, and we sold that for $10. We sold the squid for $30. A little chick we sold for $20. We had some bookmarks at our sale, so we had sold 3 bookmarks for $2 each. We sold 2 donuts for $10 each. We sold a jellyfish for $25. We sold our sunflower frog for $20. Another squid for $30. We sold our whale for $30. An owl for $40. And then we sold our narwhal for $30. Another squid for $30, and that was it. So the total for our market was $530. And that was take home, since we didn't have any other costs contributed to our market. We don't do markets very frequently. The only reason I did it this time was because I had a ton of stock, and it was just the one day. The stuff that I create takes me a very long time to create, so I just don't have the time because I'm a mom and I work full time, and so this is just more of a hobby. So it was nice to get rid of a bunch of stock and make some extra money, but that's not a regular thing that we do each month. All right, our second stream of income is from Etsy. So this is probably our number 1 stream of income. We have been on Etsy since 2020. We currently have 39 patterns on Etsy, and we only sell crochet patterns. We don't sell any made goods. For the same reason I don't do very many markets. It just takes me so long to create each stuffy, like sometimes 6 to 8 hours, and I just don't have that kind of time in a day. So we strictly sell patterns on Etsy. Now, we have been doing this for a while, so our Etsy has picked up over the last 6 months. So in August, we made 123 orders for our crochet patterns, and we made a total amount of $1,024.59. Now, this is a larger paycheck, I'd say, than our normal. I say we average about 500 to 800 every paycheck. However, like I said, our Etsy has been picking up, so now we're kind of averaging close to that $1,000 mark, which is amazing. So we're very, very grateful and fortunate that we have people that love our patterns and share our patterns. So we thank you guys so much. So that is our Etsy revenue from August 1st to August 31st. Now, our patterns are also in the Annie's catalog. So Annie's is an Americanized company, and they do craft catalogs that you can purchase, crochet patterns, and any type of craft project you can purchase from them. So we have 6 patterns in their catalog, and they pay us on a quarterly basis. So because we live in Canada, we tend to get our paycheck really late. So for August, we got paid for our April, May, and June quarter from Annie's, but we didn't get our paycheck till August. So our paycheck for Annie's for the 3 months was $280 Canadian. So that's divided 3 ways. So that's for each month of April, May, and June. So we got that in August as well. Now, 2 new streams of income that we've just started in this month. The first one is Etsy Creator Co. Now, if you don't know what that is, basically what it is it's an affiliate link program where you create affiliate links to your personal Etsy account and to your personal listings on Etsy. And if people purchase from your listings, you receive a certain percentage back from Etsy Creator Co. So it's just a little bit of extra. It's only 5% that they give back to us. And if people purchase other things using our link, we also get commission on that. So for the month of August, we only just started Etsy Creator Co. in August, so it's pretty new. We started on the August 23rd, and from August 23rd to the 31st, we made $15.03. So nothing to write home about, but it all adds up, and we appreciate everybody that purchases patterns from us and uses our links because it helps us put more back into our business, create more things, and give you guys more content. Now, the very last avenue of income that is very new to us as well this month is a YouTube partner program. So we just got monetized this month on YouTube. Yay, we're so happy and excited and so grateful to you guys for watching our content and giving us feedback, commenting and liking. It helps us so much. So we got monetized on August 28th. So we only had August 28th, 29th, 30th, and 31st. So 4 days monetized on Etsy or on YouTube, sorry. So it wasn't very much that we made, but it's a start. So on those 4 days of August that we were monetized, we made $22.27. So nothing again to write home about, but it all adds up. Now, if you guys are interested in a more in-depth tutorial on what we make in our first month of YouTube, we're still kind of in the middle of that right now. But once we find out what we're going to make, I can do a video on that and how much we made and what we made per day. If that interests you, just let us know in the comments down below. So with all of those different streams of income, YouTube, Etsy Creator Co., Etsy, our market, and Annie's, we made a total of $1,872.30. Now, my sister and I, we do this together. It's double Dutch, so we are 2 sisters. So we split our income in half. We take 50%, 50%, completely down the middle. So take home for each of us in the month of August was $936.15. So it's, it's not $1 million, but that extra $900 adds, to our life and things that we can do and create. So yeah, that's what we made in the month of August, being content creators and Etsy crochet pattern creators. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys do want to see what we made our first month monetized on YouTube. Let us know in the comments down below. Otherwise, we hope you have a lovely day today, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!